Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to send money from Exodus Wallet. We'll walk through the entire process, from selecting your desired asset to confirming the transaction. You'll learn how to accurately input recipient details, understand network fees, and ensure your funds reach their destination safely. This guide will help you confidently manage your cryptocurrency transfers. First, open your Exodus wallet and head to your portfolio. From there, simply choose the cryptocurrency you intend to send. Once you've selected it, you'll see a Send button. Click this to initiate the transfer. Always ensure you have sufficient funds, including a small amount for the network fee, before proceeding. Next, carefully enter the recipient's wallet address. You can paste it or use the QR code scanner for accuracy. This step is crucial, so always double-check the address. Then, specify the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send. Exodus will display the estimated network fee, which is typically very small, often less than $1. Before finalizing, take a moment to review all the transaction details. Confirm the recipient's address, the amount, and the network fee are all accurate. Once you are absolutely certain, slide the Send button to authorize the transfer. Your funds will then be broadcast to the network, usually confirming within a few minutes, depending on the asset.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.